The story of the Bora name begins not as a caste, but as a prestigious title. During the Ahom kingdom, which ruled Assam for nearly 600 years, the military and labor system was organized into a structure called the pike system. The command A Bora was a designated officer who was responsible for leading a unit of 20 pikes, soldiers laborers. The hierarchy above the Bora was the Sakia, who led 100 men, and the Hazarika, who led 1000 men. Transition to surname. Over centuries, families who held this military rank for generations began using Bora as their permanent surname, eventually forming a specific social group. The Bora community is deeply integrated into the Assamese Kalita and Chutia societies. Their story is one of transition from warriors to scholars and agriculturists. Defenders of the land. Historically, the Boras were part of the forces that successfully resisted Mughal invasions in northeast India. Their story is often linked to the legendary Ahom general Lachit Borphukan, under whom many Bora officers served. Spiritual evolution. In the 15th and 16th centuries, the community's story was transformed by the Sankardeva movement. Most Boras became followers of Eksarana Dharma, a form of Vaishnavism that focuses on simple devotion, bhakti, through singing and prayers in namghars, community prayer halls. In Nepal, the story of the Boras is slightly different. There, they belong to the Khasarya group. Legend suggests they were part of the ancient Khas kingdoms of the Himalayas. They served as administrators and warriors for local kings in the hill regions before the unification of modern Nepal. Today, the story of the Bora Jati is one of education and contribution. They are no longer defined by military units of 20 men but are prominent in Assamese literature, politics, and civil services. They are known for maintaining a strong connection to their roots while adapting to modern professional fields. The word Bora Itse is most commonly associated with the Chutia and Kachari ethnic groups of Assam. Historically, the name was not just a caste but a military title used during the Ahom kingdom. Military rank. In the Ahom administrative system, a Bora was an officer who commanded a unit of 20 pikes, foot soldiers. Ethnic roots. Most people with the surname Bora belong to the Kalita or Chutia communities, which are part of the broader Indo-Aryan and Tibeto-Burman mix of the Brahmaputra Valley. Assam, India. They are widely spread across districts like Golaghat, Jorhat, Nagav, and Sonitpur. Nepal. There is a Bora community in Nepal as well, primarily belonging to the Kshetri or Brahman tiers of the Pahadi social structure. Language. The primary language spoken is Assamese in India or Nepali in Nepal. Religion. The vast majority are Hindus. In Assam, many follow Srimant Sankardeva's Eksarana Dharma, Vaishnavism, which emphasizes the worship of Vishnu Krishna through prayer and community halls called namghars. In Assam, they are generally classified under OBC, other backward classes, or general category, depending on their specific sublineage. In Nepal, they are often part